In such difficult times that we are living, our first focus is to protect our family and our loved ones. Ensurity Group aims to educate our entire community on how to be prepared for an unexpected event, and when we talk about unexpected eventualities such as disability, unemployment, accident, disability, critical illness, terminal illness, chronic illness, natural death, accidental death, mortgage protection, savings and premium accumulation. Protecting your family is to ensure peace of mind and stability to your loved ones. Would it affect you to be prepared for when this happens? Request information on how to get your life insurance. Our advice is free. Call now 214 946 6060 or send us a WhatsApp to 972-440-0431. Follow us on our social networks as @Ensurity Group. Subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. See you next time.